Have you ever seen those advertisements? We buy gift cards? Maybe you've seen a kiosk at the mall that you can stick your cards into and get cash back. Ever wondered how it works? How do they make money? How much money do they make? Well, this book will teach you all of that and some more. Here, you will find everything you need to know regarding how to start your own business, buying and selling gift cards. This book will show you how the whole industry works. This book is going to be short, sweet, and directly to the point. I don't believe in wasting time. This business is very simple to start and operate. Anybody can do it. There are no special qualifications needed. You just need to know how things work behind the scenes. This is not a complicated process at all. I'm just going to give you the facts and leave out all the fluff. I have helped people understand and get this business going by talking to them for less than 2 hours. My goal is to translate that same simple, streamlined process into this book. I want you to be able to understand this business in just a couple of hours, and then be able to go out and start making money. The gift card industry is huge. In 2016, companies sold $140 billion worth of gift cards. That is billion with a B. With industry innovations like digital gift cards, e-gift cards, and aftermarket sales platforms, it's going to continue to grow. According to the CEB, this market is expected to continue to expand and was projected in 2018 to reach sales of $180 billion. Another amazing statistic is that an estimated 93% of consumers will purchase or receive a gift card this year. There is no other product as successful as the gift card, so it's no wonder that every major company is in on this product. It is also estimated that $1 billion in gift cards go unused, and that number still stands even with the invention of resale platforms available today. It's also estimated that the average American has $100 of unspent gift cards laying around in their wallet or junk drawer, waiting to expire. This all means that gift cards are a huge opportunity to make some money. The best part of this business, besides making money, are the discounts and free stuff. Imagine going to your favorite store with a loaded $500 gift card that you didn't pay a dime of your own money for. It was all profit generated by your business. I know guys that never pay for food, gas, clothing, tools, and more. In this business, after you buy and sell a certain amount of cards, you will start to accumulate extra cards that you can either sell for cash or use to get free stuff at your favorite store. Imagine buying all the things you want for virtually free and still putting cash in your pocket on top of that. That's what this business can do for you. The good news is anyone can start a business flipping gift cards. Again, there are no special qualifications needed. All you need is a little know-how and some hustle. You can do this if you are a student, retired, or disabled. This is a great way to make money, and virtually anybody can do it.